In this video, we will demonstrate how to download and install ARM to your computer. First, download the ARM Update executable from our website. The link is found in the ARM license email from GDM. Then open File Explorer and browse to the downloaded file. Typically, this will be in your Downloads folder. Now run the file to start the installation. This prompt is requesting permission to install ARM on your computer. If you have an IT department, you may need to request administrator rights in order to install ARM. Note that updates to the ARM program do not require administrator rights. Enter your ARM login name and password. This information is in the license email from GDM. The list of available components to install are listed here. Click Install Updates to download and install ARM. Please be patient during the installation process. The amount of time depends on several factors, including your internet connection. If a not responding message appears, please wait 15 minutes before closing. Sometimes large files take longer than expected. Click Finish to continue to the next component. When all components are installed, the status is updated for all items. Finally, press the Close button. The ARM program is now installed on your computer.